Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So previously we learned about embeds and buttons, and we used it in our Discord bot in these two commands, ping and hello, as you can see here. So in today's video we will go advanced and learn about how select menus are used in Discord bots. You can also call it as a drop down menu. So we will approach it like I will create a command called colors, which will send a embed with a select menu, in which a user has to choose any color. If we choose any color in the select menu, the color of the embed will be changed and the menu will be gone from the embed. So let me write the code, then I will explain it in the brief. Yeah, so let's understand this much. So here simply I have created one more class called color select, which is the class which will help us to define the menu. So here we simply define the menu. Here you can see we have used the concept of the oops, as I explained it in the previous video. So we first created a default class, which is the init function. This is the init function which is executed when the class is called at the first, like it is executed on the default. So we defined the option like this. The first option is red, the text is red, the description is this, and the value of the option is this. So we typed four options here: red, blue, green, yellow, and this is the value. So here we use the super and given the placeholder and the options. So super does what the super does, it does like it will call the parent class, so it will call this and tell the placeholder and what options to be placed in the on the embed. So when any option of here is clicked, it will call this function, like assume you selected the blue option, so it will call this function and see which option you have selected. Like you have selected here blue, it will check what is the color of the blue, it is this. Then it will create an embed like this, and it will also tell you what color you have selected. And here you can see we mark the color here, we choose the color from here and given the color to here. The self load value, the self is an instance, so whatever you select here, it is saved in the instance of this class. So that's why here the value is 0. So it works like that. In coding, the index starts from 0 1 2 3 4, not like normally 1 2 3 4. So here is single options only, so that's why we used the single thing, the 0. So the value of this is saved here. And then in the last we send the response, like we didn't send a new response, we edited the last sended embed. I didn't have the right, I didn't write the code of it. I will write it in some time. So it will edit that embed and it will do the view none. So in the edited embed there will be no select menu. When I will explain the later part of the code, it will be clear. It will be more clear to you. So let me write that part of the code also. I will explain it later. Okay, so I have finished the code. Let's understand it. So from here the process begins. So when someone uses the command color, so it will create a embed with this title, description, and color, and set the view to color view, and send a response to that interaction, the embed with the view. uh, as I explained in the previous video, the view is like a container. So when we create any button or any select menu, we have to put it in a container, then we have to attach it to any embed or any message. So here also I have done the same. I have created a container called with the class name view, color view, and put it the select menu to its, like you can see the add item thing. I have put it the menu to the color view class, or you can also say it container. Then it will call this, and as I already explained you previously, this is the definition of the menu, like how is the menu will perform. So when the option is chosen, it will edit the original embed with and remove the menu from it. Here you can see I have removed the menu by putting the view to none. Now let's test this code and see how everything actually work on Discord. Let me run the color command. Here you can see it successfully responds with an embed and a select menu, and here you can see the colors we have to choose. Like example, I choose red color. Now it will simply like see it changed the color of the embed and remove the select menu, as I have explained it here, that it will edit the message and send a new embed and remove the select menu. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any single issue or any type of error, you can type in the comment. I will surely reply to it as soon as possible. Hope you like this video, and please give a like to this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.